Alright boys, I got a quick video for you today. As you can see, the BMW is back under the knife once again. I will get to that in a second. But let's take a look down here. Now I was randomly checking, let's see here. I was randomly checking the coolant this week. It wasn't showing signs that it was low. I just decided to check the coolant, which I'm glad I did because we can get it back into focus down there. As you guys can kind of see, that's not the BMW blue that it's supposed to be. That's in fact brown. That's oil, which is not good. Also, I noticed that the float is broken, so I don't know how they managed that, but that's awesome. So I won't lie, I did kind of freak out immediately and think, oh great, the head gasket's blown. But after some further investigation, also I did check underneath the cap of the valve cover, or the valve cover cap, and I checked the oil and it wasn't super milky, so that was a good sign. I did notice that the oil filter housing had started leaking. I did clean it up, so I apologize, but you guys will notice, you will know when that's leaking because it kind of just gets everywhere. But yeah, that was kind of relieving. I mean, it sucks because I got to replace this, but way better than the head gasket. I would way rather do that. Also, this would just be chocolate milk deluxe going on in here if it was a blown head gasket. So we're good on that. Also, you may be wondering why the valve cover is off. This is round number 2 on the valve cover gasket replacement. Now, the first go around is probably my bad. I didn't use OEM. It wasn't an off-brand, I can't remember what it is, but if I remember, I'll post it below, like, don't use it, just go OEM. Yeah, moral of the story, go OEM with BMW stuff, because it will bite you in the ass later on. Either that, or they just like to leak, and I'm going to be doing this 6 months from now again. But, hoping that doesn't happen. I do have a how-to on doing that. If you guys want to check that out, I'll post a link to it in the description below. If you're having that issue, or if you just kind of want to see what you're going to get into. Back to this. Noticing that was leaking, I just know that that's what's going on. It's allowing oil to get into the coolant, which is not good. Another thing it could be is the transmission cooler. It's down there in that area, but I highly doubt that's it. I am gonna go with this 100%. I would put money on that this is what's causing that to happen. Now I got, like I said, OEM oil filter housing gasket, OEM valve cover gasket. I got OEM belt and pulleys. The reason for that is you don't want to keep running the belt after oil's been leaking on it, because it will it degrades it. Like, it won't last as long as it could. Like, it will shorten the lifespan, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And you really don't want that to blow out on you, because it won't, I guess I shouldn't say it will, but it can cut loose and go into your engine. And what I mean by that is it will go into the crank pulley bearing, I believe. Either way, preventive maintenance will go a long way, so just go ahead and replace that while you're doing that. Just like I said, preventive maintenance will go a long way with that. Now, I do apologize. I wanted to do a how-to on replacing that gasket, but I just, in the middle of tearing that down, I just started tearing everything else down. And I really just need to get this done, because this is the girlfriend's daily, and I need to get it back on the road as fast as possible. So I do apologize, but I'm sure there is plenty of videos out there on how to do it. I just wanted to give you guys like a jump start in the right direction if you have that issue. Let's see here. If I do have enough time, I will do a video on a coolant flush, because that definitely needs to be done. If I don't, make sure you guys use distilled water when you're pushing it through. And let's see here. I think that's about it. Now, I do apologize, like I said, I'm not gonna do a how-to on the oil filter housing gasket, but I don't have the time. I wanted to make this quick video and get you guys started in the right direction with troubleshooting. So don't freak out immediately when you find that. Obviously it's not good, don't drive on that. get it to a part or a place where you can leave it. Luckily, I checked it at home. We left it parked till the parts got here and then brought it to the shop. So hope you guys learned something from this video. I'm sorry it was short, but hopefully it got you pointed in the right direction. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.